I was at Slush in November, which is a phenomenal event, and you should be amazingly proud of that. I think if you can just take school children to Slush, their whole new life will open up before them. Supercell, Rovio, yeah, there's so much amazing stuff happening in Finland. Any more questions? Yes, the lady at the back.
Hi there, Cristiana Camisotti again from Silicon Milk Roundabout. I just wanted to also tell you about something. I went to the Woman of the Year lecture, and I can see a few ladies here from the Woman of the Year lecture last week. And it was given by Helen Clark, who's the longest served Prime Minister. I think she ran for 3 terms in New Zealand. Anyway, she said something that really resonated with me, so I asked her a question. What she said was, you cannot fully innovate or help the economy with only half the workforce. So I looked around that room, and I was actually the only woman in tech at this lecture, which was actually terrifying. And believe me, I'm not the best woman in tech. So I asked her, how do we get more women into tech? And she said the answer is education, education, education. And that's how she got women into politics, was she became the role model. And then they started earlier and earlier telling kids to get into politics. But the main thing that she said that we could start now was to actually put quotas in. So quotas for women directors in tech businesses. And we're actually going to start doing this at Silicon Milk Roundabout, our event, where we offer subsidised pitch spaces for bootstrap startups. So we're going to make sure that 50% of those go to female co-founders or CTOs. So hopefully that's a little bit inspirational, and hopefully others can follow our lead.
Can I just say something on this point, because it's absolutely critical, but I think in the same way that we don't really show enough of the role models around tech, and not just engineers sitting in dark rooms, but actually there are a huge amount of women, particularly in the UK, who are involved in tech. Martha Lane Fox will be here later. Jemima is explaining tech to 60 million monthly uniques. At The Guardian, 90. And they said editorial didn't sell ads. Davinia, please, co-founder, COO of a small company called Mind Candy that makes Moshi Monsters. Laura Wade Geary runs tech and digital at Marks and Spencer's. Nina Bhatia runs the